We're still in St. Lucia. You can see some people coming back from some shore excursions there, but decided that I should make a quick video on what to take when you are actually leaving the boat, going snorkeling or any of those kind of activities that are kind of water sports related. So first off, you need wallet. You definitely need plenty of cash to make it through the day. You need your sea pass cards, snorkel, goggles, and boots if you're going in a rocky area. Might want a life jacket, a bike lock to be able to lock all this electronic equipment to a chair or a tree or anything that's immovable. This is the Karma grip case. I usually just keep extra spare SD cards in there. You definitely want to make sure you have plenty of SD cards. I have my grip for underneath water on the GoPro, and here is a mount that if you want to do time lapse, you can hook it onto any rocks or any kinds of tree. You definitely need plenty of water. Selfie stick. These locks come in handy if you're going to be locking like these cases together. I showed in another video how I lock my Mavic case down with my wallet and our phones so that those don't get taken. You definitely need sunglasses. You shouldn't need a remote, and definitely need a phone for flying the Mavic as well as any communication with anyone. This is other GoPro stuff. I usually have my extra batteries in here. This is the deep water housing, and you can see the red lens that I have on it for really deep water, and just some charging cords and accessories. Here is the remote for my Mavic, and over here I have the other phone charging and all my Mavic batteries charging, as well as 2 GoPro batteries, and this was charging the Karma grip, which I'm using with the GoPro right now. You definitely do not want to forget the grip in the GoPro, or else you're not going to be filming anything that day. You need plenty of sunscreen, sanitizer, maybe some chapstick. These drops work really well for putting in the goggles and causing them to not fog. They do a very good job of that. You need their charging cords if you're going to be using a power bank like this to charge the GoPro or the Karma grip, anything that needs to be charged with USB. You could charge the iPhones with it as well. You will need the cables to be able to charge those phones, and last but not least, you definitely need towels. You don't want to be getting out of the water and not having anything to dry off with. But that is just the summary of everything that I take to the beach when we go. Other things that you want to include that I forgot to mention is some drawstring bags like these. These work really good for shoving towels in. A mesh bag. These work good for anything that will be getting wet. You can just throw in those to get dry. And you also want to bring some tennis shoes if you're going to be hiking anywhere, and sandals if you're going to be doing anything by the water. But that is the all-encompassing list of everything that you should be bringing to the beach so that you don't forget anything. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.